Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another vlog. Today we're gonna continue on the Project Supra GT3 race car build. We got the second bride seat in. We got a special mystery box right here that maybe I'll unbox for you guys. And we got the seat rails. So we're gonna go ahead and put together the seat rails, put it on the bride seat, and then yank the old stock seat out of the car, and let's get this baby in. You want to attempt to pull in the driveway? I got a couple cool cars coming today, so I want to get everybody up. Hey, if you can't make it, you can take this first spot in the corner right here. You put the TEs back on. I think last time you guys might have seen it with the BBSs. He's running my old Laptor lip, so he doesn't want to bust that open. Look at that. That's freaking low. Bronze TE37s 18s look the best, but look how low this thing is. Holy shit. Updated BMW logo badge. The roundel. I think last time you came, you had the BBSs on, right? Damn, that shit looks way better. Are you scraping a lot now?
No. I'm high.
That's good. That's what's up. All the nice weather's gone. Well, we're gonna have nice cars instead. As you can see, it's raining really bad. And as promised, we got the PCI seat rail again. I'm just gonna go ahead and box it and we'll show you guys how to put it together. So everything that comes with it, you got the seat mount, the slider rails, you have the seat brackets, the slider bar, and all the nuts and bolts you need. The A90 Supra mounts fit the E90, F80, and G82. It's a BMW. All right, guys, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put the seat mounts onto the slider brackets. As you guys can see, we have the first one mounted here. I'm gonna show you guys how to do the second one. So the first thing you need to do is grab your slider seat rail. You're gonna go ahead and compress whatever this is, the spring, to get the top of the seat rail slid out. You see? I'm compressing the spring, and then I can slide this back to get this first bracket. What you're gonna do is go ahead and grab the supplied hardware, slip it underneath, and then you're just gonna mount it to the bracket. Mounting bracket. Go ahead and secure it with a washer and a nut. I'm not gonna show you guys me nutting it on. So we're gonna go ahead and do this on this side. We're gonna slide the rail back so that we can fit the bracket underneath on the other side, and then we'll show you guys when we mount it to the seat bracket. Wow. Damn, this shit is about to be hot, boys. Yeah. Mount the seat bracket and the slider onto the seat itself so that we can figure out where it's gonna mount onto the floor mount. I already have a position too, because I already installed one, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put it third from the line, and then the third from the line again.
Bro, you can't adjust this?
You can.
It makes it so much easier.
Do it hand tight, because we're not gonna secure it all the way on yet. When the seat's gonna sit in, this side is gonna be the inner side, right? Yeah. So I want it to hug all the way in like this. So the way I'm gonna mount the floor mount, I'm gonna position the seat all the way closest to the center console. So we're gonna have this side at the end of the bracket. Yep, it's gonna hug this last bracket and this last one here. All right, we're gonna go ahead and take this off and then reassemble. Fuck, it's getting hot. All right, now we're gonna mount this assembly to this floor mount. So we're gonna go ahead and slide the slider back one way again. We already have position, so I have this one all the way on the rear end, and these are gonna go on the second one, I believe. It's gonna go like this. So the PCI seat rails come with the hardware. You're gonna use 2 washers on each side. You're gonna use the washers on the bigger hole. So we're gonna drop the nut in. There you go. And as you can see, the nut can't spin, so it's pretty easy to tighten. The hard part's almost done, boys. All right, we're done. Seat brackets on, boys! Ching, ching, ching! It's gonna look so cool with the tube. All right, y'all, now that we have the seat already all mounted up, we're gonna go ahead and remove the stock seat, so you're gonna need a T50. What you're gonna do first is move your seat all the way back so you can show the first two right here in the front. They're not on too tight, surprisingly. Once you break them loose, you can go ahead and use your tools to take them all the way out. 1, 2. Then afterwards, you're gonna move this seat all the way up, and you're gonna fold your seat all the way up too at the same time. Actually, what we're gonna do first, we're gonna go ahead and remove the seat belt here. There you go. So all that's holding in, you're gonna go ahead and lift up the clip, and you're gonna slide the bolt out to the bigger end and just pull it out. You do it, man!
No, man,
you're in the video, bro! No! That's bogus! We all out of here! One goal, bros! I'm so dumb. Guys, raise your seat up so that you can get these rear bolts. Alright, now that we have the seat bolt, the bolts removed, we're gonna go ahead and disconnect the battery so that we can disconnect the seat with no issues. Oh damn, that's pretty fucking heavy compared to the other one. So what we're doing, we're gonna go ahead and transfer out the buckle. So I went across the street to my neighbor's. He's actually helping me cut this off of the seatbelt bracket because it's not gonna fit onto the seat mounts if this is here. All right, thanks a lot, my man.
You want it sanded?
Nah, I didn't sand it last time. Hold on, let me see.
I hit it with the flapper wheel last
Oh yeah, we did.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe just a little bit. So you gotta spread out the bar a little bit. Pretty much you're gonna stuff it in here and you're gonna stick it into the hole. There you go. There you go. Yeah, we're gonna connect it underneath it and we'll just throw it from up.
This way. Okay.
Connect it?
Yeah.
And tuck it on, leave it underneath it. Is it underneath it?
Yep.
All right, time to fucking get these bolts in. Hopefully it's the right positioning this time. All right, we were almost near the end, but I realized I had my brackets flipped the wrong way. I'm not gonna show you guys me fixing it, but when you guys want these singular holes in the back so you can adjust the height of the seat. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip the bracket and we're gonna go ahead and put it in. Now that we got the seat in, we're just gonna use the supplied hardware to mount it to the chassis. You can also slide the seat back and forth to make it easier to reach. I got 3 in there now and I just gotta get the last bolt from the other side. There you go. I just gotta tighten it down. Ooh, all right, we're good. All right, next we're just gonna go ahead and tighten everything down. And then you're gonna do that to all 4 corners, and then we're just gonna go ahead and take care of the seatbelt, and we're gonna be all done here. All right, we finally got the seat in. Dude, look at that. It looks so cool with both of them. We're gonna put the seatbelt guide on. We got some more friends over. We got Illiminate in the house. Did you stick it to the seat? The seatbelt guide's all we have. Everything that's lit up red is deep. Damn, look at that. Dude, the 2 seats look fucking hot. Damn, that's hot. All right, so we just finished installing the seats. I have another part we were supposed to install, but I'm a little bit tired. Everybody's saying that I should install it. We're gonna go ahead and unbox it, look at the instructions. And if it looks easy enough, we're gonna go ahead and install it. I don't wanna do this. Jimmy, you installed your steering wheel too, right?
Yeah, first day.
Let's see. Let's go, baby. KMP, baby.
Wow.
Only for racing, guys. Oh.
That looks exactly like that.
Dude, that looks gangster. Holy snap. Where's the scissors? Let me cut this open. It's like the wheels that they put in GT3 cars. But it's also used for like real racing sims.
Right.
Oh.
You got that 1 page, is it?
Oh, hell no.
Oh, hell no.
Oh, hell no. It's better not be the instruction.
Yo, this feels crazy. Y'all wanna?
That's it?
That's it, bro.
Bro, that looks exactly like mine.
Dude, that looks pretty cool. Oh! Yo, that is.
Feels good, right?
That feels insane.
Wanna get the wood first?
Dude.
Give me some ASMR. Yeah.
And all these buttons will work? All those buttons will work. Damn, girl, you got me driving gloves now. I know. I forgot driving gloves. I'm gonna be using my garden gloves until my until my freaking racing gloves or my driving gloves come in.
This is just it. I guess it's pretty simple. Might have like a whole booklet. This is just it's a page. Oh, that's
Whoa, that is bad. I didn't even know it came with that. Damn, are we doing this, boys, or are we gonna?
sick. you.
Are we chilling?
It's your call.
Daniel says it's pretty easy.
I got 1 page.
It can't be any harder than that.
I have a whole booklet.
All right, let's do
Fuck
it.
it, full send.
Fuck it, let's do it. All right, the boys have decided we're gonna go ahead and install this KMP steering wheel. Since they showed up late, we got Jimmy taking off the airbag, which is the hardest part of the whole install.
It is the hardest part.
You look good in a bucket seat.
No. No. Bro, you're gonna be there for like 30 minutes.
I know, it's okay. All right, this is the longest part, guys. We gotta try to figure out how to take off this airbag, which is just a couple springs.
6.5 hours later.
Get it in close to her. Hey, Dale, you gotta be like, yo, I fucking got it. All right, fucking do it.
Yo, fucking got it.
Yo! Finally, bro. Fuck. Oh shit, I was ready to give up on this shit, huh?
I almost said, just leave that shit.
That was the whole. He said it'll take 45 minutes. That took the whole 45 minutes right there, buddy. Money. Woo! We're supposed to save this for another install video, but I guess the boys convinced me to install it now.
Hey, where's the 16?
Right here. Ooh, that's scaring me, bro. That's a big ratchet for some little bolts.
We're done.
Alright, you ready?
Oh, I want one. Yo!
There's your race car, bro.
Yo!
Whoa!
Yo, what the? Go ahead. Replace it.
I can sponsor you guys for air fresheners.
Whoa. Yo, that is insane, man. The car looks hella race car now.
Too bad you got no horn.
Moment of truth, guys. We're gonna see if we messed up anything. Chances are we did.
Just sparks.
It sparked earlier. Okay. Now it's official. No airbag light.
Let's go!
Oh shit, wait.
No airbag.
Oh.
Just passenger, that's it.
Yeah, it's just the passenger seat.
Yes, sir.
Oh shit, dude, this is fucking...
Try the button.
Let's find out which one's though.
That's cruise
Oh, that's cruise control.
Okay, that works. That's that. That's that. That works. Then plus. Oh, these are cruise control.
Uh-huh.
Then up and
This is
down.
volume?
Yeah, I think so. This is up. Try playing music.
Oh, it works! Look at those clicks, dude. Insane. What the fuck? Dude, ooh, fucking sick, man.
Race car shit.
Race car shit. Yo, thanks, Dan. Yo, fucking sick.
Man, it has to go anywhere.
Bro, remember when we were first talking about it when I saw your seat and wheel?
Yeah.
And it was gonna happen? Dude, that is insane. 12 o'clock and it's almost 6 o'clock. 6 hours in, we got the steering wheel and we got the extra seat in. And we're just gonna call it quits today and just hang out in the back. Brett looks like he's tired as hell. All right, later guys.
Later. It's good.
Thanks for hanging today.
Thank you. Thanks for
having us.
hospitality.
Ooh, the Illiminate house right here.
Dude, I love Sonny from Illiminate.
Dude, it's
He's
too
like,
funny. Peace out, guys. All right, y'all. All the guys have left after we finished installing all the car parts. I actually grilled out in the back. I marinated some flank steak and we made some tacos. We got all the seats installed. So now I'm running both Bride Zieg 4 wides on the passenger and driver. And we got the KMP steering wheel all installed as well. Shout out to Daniel, Jimmy, Brett, and Raymond for coming out and helping me out and chilling with me to install all these car parts. So here is the back of the Supra. You can see the two Dogfight seats, and I want to get a roll cage eventually and paint match it to the silver back of the seats. I said that in another video, but I can just kind of see it now with both seats. Look at that. It looks insane. You can also see the KMP steering wheel. Holy snap. And I've never owned a quick release before. Holy snap, how race car is that? For now, I'm gonna run the quick release, but what I'm really thinking about doing is getting a work spell tilt hub so that I can just tilt the steering wheel whenever I want. When the manual Supras were announced and they started rolling out, I kind of got jealous. Again, I sold my M4 because it was a manual competition, but I wanted something automatic. And now, having this wheel, I'm not even thinking about the manual Supra anymore because this is so freaking cool. I can't take it for a drive yet because we still need to torque down this wheel, and I need to torque down all the seats to spec. This is Project Supra GT3 race car. We're gonna turn this Supra into a GT3 style car, and I think I'm doing a pretty good job at it, especially with the KMP wheel in now. What do you guys think? Thanks again for watching. If you guys made it this far, I freaking love you. Thanks again to all my buddies that helped me today. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Comment, like, subscribe. Peace out, guys. Oh, fucking love this shit.